Napkin AI API. In this video, we're going to be talking about one of the greatest visual platforms out there. This AI will provide you the greatest infographics that you have ever seen. All you're going to need to do is you're going to add a text line, and all the infographics that you're going to require are going to come to you in a second. Now, Napkin AI is used a lot by all these different enterprises out there that need to represent their projects or some type of idea in some way, and they use infographics, and for that they're going to use Napkin AI's capability. But if you want Napkin AI for some specific program or your business, the API that Napkin AI has is currently not offered. Currently, Napkin AI does not provide a public AI. However, they are exploring options to introduce an API in the future. Okay, so APIs basically help you in integrating Napkin AI with other tools that you have, like different CRMs or different platforms. So when it comes to the topic of API, you won't currently find it, but you can still integrate Napkin AI through signing up with it and going through Zapier or other integrations that it provides you. You will not be able to add it into any software that you yourself have created and want to add the capabilities of Napkin AI to it, but you will be able to use it nonetheless for free. So when it comes to API, you will need to wait for it for a few months, I'd say, because it is in the working. So yeah, that's pretty much the main idea. If you enjoyed this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll see you all in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.